Hello everybody. This is my second video on Geography Lesson 2 of Class 9, that is Physical Features of India. So in this PowerPoint presentation, I'm going to explain one by one the major physiographic divisions of India. So here in this video, I'm going to explain about the Himalayan mountains. And here in this slide, the main key points. First, the Himalayas geologically young and structurally full mountains. So what you have seen that geologically young and structurally full. So out of all the three types of mountains, Himalayas we can say as full mountain. There are three types of mountain. One is fold, one is fault, and one is volcanic. And out of these three types, Himalaya belongs to fold mountains. And second point, the Himalayas stretch over the northern borders of India. So in this map, you have seen the Himalaya, which extends from northwest to eastern side, but covering the northern part of our country, which is actually is working just like a border in between China and our country. Next, third point, the Himalayas run in a west-east direction from the Indus to the Brahmaputra. Now, western side, you see Indus River, which is actually most of the Indus River lies in Pakistan, but very less part which lies in our country. So western side, this is Indus River I'm showing, and Brahmaputra River in the eastern side. This is Brahmaputra River, which originates in the Tibet area and enters our country. So in between these two rivers, usually the Himalayas lies. Fourth, the Himalayas represents the loftiest rugged mountain barrier of the earth. As you have seen here some pictures of Himalayas, you see the height. Because of its height, we can say it is loftiest, and rugged nature. You see both the pictures. Rugged nature means that the ups and downs are there. It is not even or uniform in shape. Fifth point, they form an arc which covers a distance of about 2,400 km from west to east. Now, you see the arc formation. Here in this map, I am showing how it forms the arc. Next, sixth point. Their width varies from 400 km in Kashmir to 150 km in Arunachal Pradesh. Now you see the location of Himalayas from west to east, which is colored like a brown. You see this area, and just you can imagine looking the location of Himalaya, that the width of this Himalaya in western side and eastern side. You can compare yourself that definitely in western side it is more, which is given 400 km in Kashmir. This is Kashmir. I'm showing here. And in Arunachal Pradesh, you see it is narrower. That is 150 km. That is in average. It is not actually exactly, you cannot say. It varies from place to place. Now, 7 point is given, the altitudinal variations are greater in the eastern half than those in the western half. Now, the height of different mountains which are present in Himalaya, which is the differences are more in eastern part, whereas in western side it is very less. So that is only it is given in number 7 point. Number 8. The Himalayas consist of 3 parallel ranges. Now, first one, Great or Inner Himalayas or Himadri. Second, Himachal or Lesser Himalayas. Third, Outer Himalayas or Shivalik. So in this map, I'm showing all these 3 different parallel ranges. First one, Greater Himalayas. You see, this is on the top, that line it is showing. Then Lesser Himalaya or the Himachal one, middle one. Next, Outer Himalayas or Shivalik, that is in the southernmost. parallel range. Now, this is the picture of Greater Himalayas. I'm going to start from Greater Himalayas, which is also known as Himadri. So here you see, first point, the northernmost range consisting of loftiest peaks with an average height of 6,000 meters. So in this range, Himadri, different peaks are there, and the average height of those peaks almost 6,000 meters, maybe which is higher. Sometimes it may be lower also. Some peaks may be there, but mostly above 6,000 meters. Most of the peaks which lie over Himadri. Mount Everest, which is the highest peak. It is given here 8,848, but it is recently the height it increases up to 8,850 meters. We have to say that one. Next one is Kanchenjunga, which is located in India. That is 8,598 meters. Mount Everest, which lie in Nepal, but Kanchenjunga, India. So what you have seen, the highest peak in our country, if question comes, then Kanchenjunga you have to write, not Mount Everest. So in this way, Makalu, Dholagiri, Nanga Parbat, Annapurna, Nanda Devi, Kamet, Namcha Barwa, and Gurla Madhata, these are the peaks which lie over Himadri. Now, second point, the folds of Great Himalayas are asymmetrical in nature. Now, our Himalayas, already I have told, these are fold mountains, and variety of folds are there. You see here in this picture I have shown 6 varieties. Out of this, first one symmetrical, then isoclinal, then recumbent, chevron, and overturned. The last one asymmetrical folds. So our Himalayas actually we can say as asymmetrical in nature. You see the shape of asymmetrical, the fold. Now, third point, the core of the Greater Himalayas is composed of granite. Means the center part you can say, which is consist of granite rocks. Number 4, it is perennially snowbound, and the number of glaciers descend from this range. Perennially, the term means throughout the year, the top of the mountain peaks are covered by snow, and most of the glaciers originate in this range only. Now here, location of 2 glaciers I am showing, which are very important, Gangotri and Yamunotri. So Yamunotri, the glacier from where Yamuna River which originates and join Ganga River, and Gangotri. From this glacier, Ganga River originates. So this is a map of India over which I am showing the position of Yamunotri and Gangotri, these 2 glaciers. Next, Himachal or Lesser Himalayas. Here, first point, it lies to the south of Himadri. So already I have shown the Himadri, which is located in the northernmost range, and just south of Himadri, the Lesser Himalaya, or you can say the Himachal, it lies. Next, second point, the ranges are composed of highly compressed and altered rocks. So one picture of compressed or altered rocks I'm showing here. Now, compressed, the term you have got. The compression I'm showing here in the picture, you see how the compression it occurs. It pushes the rock together from both the sides whenever the pressure comes. Usually what happens, this Himalaya which lies over the Tethys River. So whenever you learn about the origin of Himalaya, you'll come to know about the origin of Himalaya. So in that position, because of the both the side, north, east, and from southwestern side, both the sides there the pushing it occurs, and because of this push, what happened? The middle part it is rising as Himalaya, and because of this, the rock converts to altered rocks. You can say compressed and altered rocks. That's why it is told. Now, third point, The altitude of the range varies from between 3,700 and 4,500 meters, and the average width is of 50 kilometers. Now, altitude means the height, which varies from between 3,700 and 4,500 meters. So, whenever you see the position of middle Himalaya, you see this portion I'm showing here, middle Himalaya in the middle, and the height of different mountains which lie over this range, mountain range, it may be from 3,700 to 4,500. In this range only it lies, and the average width is of 50 kilometer. From west to east, if we compare, the average if you take out, then it covers only up till 50 kilometer. It may be more or it may be less, but near this figure only. Now, some of the important range which lie over lesser Himalaya, Pir Panjal range, Dhauladhar and Mahabharat range, which are important ranges of lesser Himalaya. Now you see Pir Panjal. This is the position of Pir Panjal range. I'm showing over the map. You can see this is Kashmir area, and Dhauladhar, just south of Pir Panjal, Dhauladhar range. This is here I'm locating. But Mahabharat range, the red color portion, have you seen this red mark I'm showing? That is over this Nepal part, and I'm showing one arrow mark here, and Mahabharat range is located over the middle portion of Nepal. So these are the three important ranges which lie over lesser Himalaya. Next, fifth point. This range consists of famous valley of Kashmir and Kangra and Kulu Valley, which lies in Himachal Pradesh. So Kashmir, all of you know the location of Kashmir. So in Kashmir, so many valleys are there, different valleys. Then Kangra Valley, I'm showing here the yellow color portion. The Kangra Valley is there. Then Kulu Valley, it is here red color, that mark is there. So Kulu Valley is located here over Himachal. This is a Himachal map of Himachal. Okay. Next, this region is well known for its hill stations. Different hill station out of that, Simla, Mussoorie and Nainital. I'm showing over the map. All of you see this red color mark. There are three important hill stations I'm showing. So many hill stations are located over this Himalaya, you can say. And this Simla, Mussoorie and Nainital are famous hill stations. Now I'm showing Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet. These are the three hill stations. So in this video, I'm showing up till the lesser Himalaya. Next video, I'm going to start the Shivalik, the last part of the three out of all the three Himalayan ranges. Thank you.